Hello students, topic for today's lecture is administrator and executor. Bank is an agent, a trustee, an executor and an administrator for the customers. Modern commercial banks, beside performing the main functions that are accepting deposits and lending money, covers a wide range of financial and non-financial services to the customers and the general public. They are as follows: agency services, banker as a trustee, banker as an executor, and banker as an administrator. So, we'll start with banker as an agent. Banker as an agent, the banker acts as an agent of his customer in performing the following functions. Say, number 1, payment and collection of subscription, dividends, salaries, pensions, etc. Bankers make payment and receive money on behalf of their customers in the following ways. Number 1, payment of insurance premium, then payment of membership subscription to club, library and professional association, payments of rents and salaries, collection of dividends and on behalf of the customers, a collection of pension, rents, etc. Then the second is the purchase and the sale of securities. Bankers undertakes to purchase and sell the debentures and shares of joint stock company on behalf of his customer only. Whenever the customer delegates the work to the banker should get clear and precise instructions in special forms used for this purpose. The form should contain basically the following things. Say the particulars of securities to be sold or purchased, the minimum and the maximum price at which the securities are being sold or purchased, the period within which they are to be sold or purchased, the names, the addresses of the person in whose name they are to be registered, and then it also acts as an attorney. Power of attorney may be given to any of the customer by the banker. Now comes banker as a trustee. A person may desire that after his death a part or whole of his property be held in the trust or the benefit of various beneficiaries named in the will. In such a case, he may create a trust under his will directing a certain person to hold the property to such persons after a specified time. When the bankers take the liability to administrate of this type of property, he will be called as a trustee. Now comes bank as an executor. A person may make will expressing his intention regarding the disposal of his property after his death. A will has to be in writing, signed by the person making the will, which called trusted and attested by the two witnesses. A will become effective only if after it is approved by the court as a private. A private is a copy of the will duly certified under the seal of the court together with the grant administrator. The person appointed as an administrator of the deceased is also known as the executor. The bank may appoint an executor for such a services. Then comes bank as an administrator. In a case, a person dies without making a valid will. The property of the deceased may be administered through the law. According to the various provisions of the law, the bank may be appointed for the administration of this property and then the banker will be called as an administrator. Thank you.